How to use Midjourney on Discord. Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing video. In this tutorial, we're gonna learn how you can use Midjourney over on your Discord. So let's get started. To get into Midjourney server, first of all, you're gonna go and search for Midjourney Discord and it will get you a link. So you have to click on Midjourney Discord. Now click on continue to Discord. And now you are successfully entered in the Midjourney server. To generate some AI images, you can see there is a lot of traffic here. So it's better to invite the Midjourney bot to our personal server and then we're gonna generate some images. So here you will find Midjourney bot. So just simply click on add to server and it will be added to your personal server. Here you can see I have Midjourney bot right here. Now in order to use this bot, what you're gonna do, you're gonna type /imagine, and in the prompt you have to write some sentences or maybe some keywords, depends upon which type of AI image you want to generate. Goku and Frieza fighting on Namek, Goku in Super Saiyan form, Frieza in full form, Vegeta and Cooler watching the fight. Once it's get ready, you can see how amazingly the bot generates the image. And if you want, you can save it by opening in the browser. So this is basically how you can use Midjourney on Discord. So all for today's video guys, make sure to give this a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.